Next topic is number manipulation. Number manipulation will help to round the values, and the syntax is round. Inside bracket we need to pass the number which we need to round, comma, then in which decimal place we need to round. For example, if I am passing 2, then it will round to this. Okay, and if I want to print this output, then I need to pass the print function along with this round function, and if I execute, we will get the desired output. Similarly, if I change the value of 2 to 3 over here, and if I execute, then it will round to the third value. Okay, now I will put only this, and if I execute, I got only 2 decimal place, and if I want to display 0 over here, we need to modify our code a little bit. So I have a code handy. I will copy paste the code. So I'm passing the value as 2.6, and I'm trying to print 2 decimal values, and if I execute, I got 2 decimal value output. If I want to display 3 decimal value values, then I will replace 2 to 3, and if I run, I got it. Next topic is string. Normally, if we want to print different data types, we need to convert those data types to string, then only we can print it. Suppose I need to print 300. Okay, and if we want to set the data type, we know that we will use type function. Inside type function, we pass the variable, so it printed as string. So if we try to print directly, it will work. Suppose if we want to pass some string along with this amount is, and we know that we need to concatenate. I execute now, it will state that it's not a string, it's an integer. So it will happen only for a string. In this case, we will use string. So the syntax is, after the print open bracket, we need to pass f, and we can remove this double quotes, and we can put it at the end, and we can remove this plus also, and this variable we need to pass inside flower bracket. If we execute now, we got the desired output. We don't want to convert any data type. Okay, this is the advantage of abstract.